Hello, my name is Arnav. So I am now back with another LeetCode problem, LeetCode problem number 85, right? So the problem number, this problem is actually a hard category problem, so it will take some time to come up with the optimal solution. So the problem is, let's see, maximal rectangle, right? So the problem is given a row by calls, that is row by column, it is a matrix, right? Binary matrix filled with zeros and ones. Find the largest rectangle containing only ones, that is only ones, and return its area. Basically, the problem is it is an matrix of binary. All the element over here will be completely binary number, and zeros. So I have to find the rectangle with the maximum area. So over here, I can find out 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. It is the consecutive one. 1, 1, and 1. It's a consecutive one. And over here, let's come to the next row. 1, 1, 1, and again, it starts with 1, 1, and 1. It's consecutive one. So the we have to find the area of the shaded portion. The matrix is will be given like this, and the output is 6. Actually, how it will be 6. Uh, that is 1, 2, and 3. The length is 3, and the width is 1, 2. That is 3 to the 6, right? So the output is over here 6. Basically, the thing is that you can also solve this by brute force method, but I will be directly jump into the code with the most optimal process. I can use it optimally by using a caching technique. That is, I can make a cache of the same length. That is over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 4 by 5 matrix. The cache size will be 4 by 5 matrix. And during the what do you say? During the traversal of the whole matrix, I will continue caching the values. That is, I will cache like this way. You can do just by traversing. First element will be 1. That is 1, right? Over here, you have to traverse in all the directions. Like in the bottom also, it is 1. Okay, it's okay. Again, if you traverse in this direction, you can find it 0. And again, if you traverse in diagonally, again you can find it 0. So the maximum length possible is 1. So the caching will be 1. Again, for the 0, there is of no use if you are just doing 0 over here. The maximum will be always 0 over here. So again, let's jump into the next element, that is 1 over here. 1, let's traverse downwards. That is again 1. Let's traverse the right side. You can find 0. So the maximum length that will be cast will is 1. So again, the casting will be 1. Again we got over here 0. So the casting value will be also 0. Actually, we are casting the length, maximum length. It is not the maximum area. So again, for the next element 0 of no use, that will be of 0. Caching value will be 0. Again, for 1, that is go down, that is 1. So the caching value, again, if you travel the right also, it will be 0. And again, if you travel the diagonally, so it will be 1. So the caching value will be maximum 1. Over here, you can find it's 0. The caching value, maximum caching value will be 0. Um, okay, it's okay. 0. For this value, 1. just traverse the downwards, that is one, traverse rightwards, that is one, traverse diagonally, that is again one. So it will be of size 2. So the thing is that let's traverse again the same thing will happen for this and this. So yeah, you will be just be casting all these values by just using a matrix format. So let's jump into the code. It will be a little bit difficult for you. So let's first thing before coding, I will just handle some what to say edge cases first. It is much more. It will become much more easier to solve the whole problem. It will be a little bit difficult. So let's get into it. If sorry, edge cases, edge cases. If so I will be handling the edge cases if the matrix that is not given, it is not given at all. So it just return zero for it according to the problem given and the yeah, if the matrix is like this one, you were just outputting zero, right? The output will be zero. So let's handle this case first. If not matrix return zero. Just return the zero. Now, I will be declaring some variables for caching also. Um, let's calculate the rows, the number of rows and the number of columns. Rows, columns is equal to the number of rows will is in the length of your matrix. Writing the correct spelling, right? Yeah, the spelling is correct. Okay. Now, the Indian length of matrix of zero, sorry, zero. I actually declared the length of the rows and the column over here. Now, the for the caching, you have to actually declare or you have to actually make the empty matrix for caching, right? Actually, I am caching in the format of matrix, so I have to declare the matrix first. So what will be the height of the matrix? Heights, heights is equal to 0, 2, sorry, why is it? Into columns, columns plus 1, 2, in the bracket, between the bracket. Hmm. Actually, during this calculation, I am also including some extra element for the easier calculation. Else you have to handle the edge cases also. That's again poses some kind of complexity for that. So just including, just commenting something, including your calculation. Now let's declare the maximum area that is possible. Max area, area equal to 0. Sorry. Now I have to traverse the whole matrix row wise, one row at a time. So for I can use rows. So now I can use R in the matrix for now, which is much more readable, right? And for I is now I am traversing the elements. False. Shit. Okay. heights, and now I have to populate the whole matrix, that the empty matrix. So yeah, it's heights of I. Actually, I'm populating this cache. I have to also do that operation of that. So heights, yeah, heights of I is equal to is one plus one, mm, one. If actually I'm just incrementing the value, if the the particular element is one, if the particular element is one, I am just incrementing the value in the cache. So if I have to also put the check over here, if row of I it can be this is string format, right? We can see. Okay, it's a string format. So just put the one like this way. Um, else you, else you. Now I have to after populating. Actually, I have to calculate the area. Um, you can calculate the area in multiple ways. I'll be calculating the area in the by using the stack form, by using the stack data structure, and the auxiliary data structure I have to accept over here. So let's calculate it. Here, let's calculate. I will just this case of space over here in the code much more readable. Calculate max area in this histogram matrix. Actually, I'm using the histogram method, so it's much more readable. Still changes stack equal to okay. It's empty. Let the empty data structure for this for I in range for I in range of and currents. Actually, now I will be traversing through all the elements in the cache and I will calculate the area. So, okay, 5 is 10 GIG of 1 is an GIG of 10 minus 1 is that minus 1 H is equal to is that dot pop. Actually, I'm calculating the area over here. Oh, see, and the pop. W is equal to I. W is equal to I. I have to put the check whether the stack is empty or not. Uh, if not is stack, else I minus 10 minus 10 minus 1 max area. But I'm writing J is the area. Max area is the max of max in which into W. H and H into W. So I'm calculating the area over here. Just second, let's see everything works fine. Okay. Uh, Now the thing is that I have to append the result into the stack, the current result into the stack. Yes, stack. Uh, it will be relativity. This onto the stack. So, after appending, I can just return the result. Okay. Hmm. Max area improvement is fine. Okay. Let's run the code for. Yeah, it's completely running. Let's submit it. Okay. The time complexity is around O of M into N. So let's check the time complexity over here. Yes, O of M into N. Uh, this problem is quite difficult to come up with the solution. If someone requests me the solution also, I can also upload handwritten notes, um, handwritten notes for you guys. So this is all about the solution. Actually, I am using some of the programs can also use dynamic programming, but I am not actually smooth in that area. So I thought of using caching. It's much more easier for me. So this is all about the problem. So it's quite difficult to come up with a solution. It's a hard category problem, and Google actually asked this problem. Yeah, Google actually asked the problem once. So I thought of solving it out, and this is all about the problem. Bye.